Hey, to all our YouTube viewers, how are y'all doing out there? Hey, I had a friend that said this deluxe air fryer is like an easy bake oven for adults. Probably right, they're a lot of fun. Come on, let's go cook something. Okay, for anybody that's got one of these Pampered Chef air fryers, one of the first gadgets you probably want to get, and I'm sure a lot of people do, are the Pampered Chef Skewers. See a lot of confusion about how to put them together, which was surprising. But people come up with some pretty interesting ways and it works, so good for you. But if you look on here, right over here, it's an L, and on this side is an R. So your left side and right side. And your skewers, they just slide into that hole. And then you put this side right into there. And just with a light pressure, press in. Now to release them, you don't even have to do that. You just grab it, and that's it. So, hopefully that helps a few of you people. I knew we were kind of confused and sat down and read the book. Hey, wow, that's how you do it. So anyway, left side, right side, and your skewers just clip in. Just with a quick turn. Once they're hot, it's going to be a little different. Okay, we'll load it up. We're going to do pork souvlaki. We'll load her up. And we'll see what temperature we're going to do. I'm going to do a bit of reading. This is the first time we've made it. I've got the souvlaki marinating, so anyway, we'll give this gadget a go. View from a different angle. Those just slide in. See this spot here. Those just lock into place. And that's it. They can't go nowhere. Off. And that's how you do it. They're real simple. All locked into place. Like I say, you just give it a spin. You can see it's straight, not wonky. Now you're ready to load them up with your favorite meat, vegetables, and then we'll put her in the oven. So what we have is cut up pork. Souvlaki can normally use lamb, but this is pork. You could use beef, you can use chicken, but we're using pork. The key to souvlaki is putting a little bit of lemon in after you've had it marinating. Put a little bit of lemon juice for the acid, and then just mix it around. The spices I got off the internet, several recipes. I just picked the one that I knew I had the spices for them, so mix that up. It sat marinating for over a day. I was supposed to make this yesterday, but we got tangled up with Burger King and they're all you can eat, or all you can two can dine for $11.79. So we did Burger King yesterday instead of this. We're having it today. So we'll get those on the skewer along with some red pepper, some onion, and some mushrooms. And then we'll put it on for, I guess, about 12-13 minutes on air fry, and that should do it. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay, we got our Pampered Chef skewers all loaded up. Looks pretty darn good. Smells good too. But you're going to get messy. Your hands are going to get messy because that's been sitting in a little bit of vegetable oil. You could use olive oil too, and the spices. And then you got to put them on the skewer, so your hands are going to get a little bit messy. But so we'll just get her in here, and we'll let her go for 13 minutes. We got it in the air fryer. I just got some potatoes. Just spritz them with some oil, put some salt, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of oregano. When this is cooking, some of the juices are going to drip on top of it. So we'll close her up. And we'll give her air fry. Press the old button down to, we'll give it 13 minutes. Hit rotate, start, and we'll see you in 13 minutes. See how she goes. Yeah, and it's turning. Very good. Smells good already. Hasn't even started cooking. Product. A little bit of garlic toast. That garlic toast, I took 3 cloves of garlic, put it in a little bit of oil into a small ramekin, and covered it with a little bit of foil and put it in the air fryer for 30 minutes till it was like creamy butter. So that was kind of an experiment and worked out real well. So another thing you might want to try. But anyway, this is destined for my mouth. I'm starving.